So I recently issued a rap challenge to my subscribers to write 4 bars centered around the topic of New Year's. And then I had to create a cohesive rap verse out of it and then figure out a way to make it flow perfectly over an instrumental. And I made a really dope video documenting me creating this verse from scratch, which I'll post in the video's description below. But after I issued this rap challenge, me and another one of my subscribers, Zombie, got into a lyrical exchange that went on for weeks. It was like a friendly freestyle type of cipher where we would just play off of what each other said. And Zombie mentioned that it would have been cool if more people would have been able to join in. So I said, you know what? How about I issue a new rap challenge? This one is going to be called the Never Ending Rap, and this is how it works. I'm going to drop a few bars in the comment section below, and the next person who joins in will have to write some bars playing off of my bars. And so for every new person who joins the cipher, just filter the comment section to show the most recent comment and write a few bars playing off of those bars. And let's see how long we can keep this going. Days, weeks, months, years, maybe forever. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my bars below, and let's see how long that we can keep it going. It's 2024, the 2nd of February. I'm sedentary. I sedentaried my rap skills for so long that nearly every Tom, Dick, and Harry thinks my gift is dead and buried. Y'all just wait. I'm about to start dropping more singles than Kraft. Ain't nothing cheesy by me, believe me, I'm just speaking the facts. I've been teaching the class on rap for 10 years of my past. I'm just gonna put this in the comment section and let the people react.